Hey YouTube, what's going on? I know I promised you a vlog every weekend. It's very late on a Sunday. Basically, you're gonna see that video Monday morning. Let's twist it around. Happy Monday, guys. Welcome back, guys. I hope you had a great weekend. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Twitter just to see what I've been up to. I'm always posting new content there. So if you're feeling the Monday blues a little bit today, why not get a pair of new sneakers? Of course, the big drop this weekend was the Air Jordan 3 Black Cement. Everybody was going crazy about it. They re-released the white version as well, calling it the Free Throw Line edition. But unfortunately, the white one was way more exclusive and limited, so I was not able to get it. But let's not talk about what we didn't get. Let's talk about what we did get. So let's start with this beauty. Comes in the really cool Air Jordan 3 Black Cement box. Ta-da! I just love that elephant print. I just love it. It's been a minute since I had a fresh pair in my hands. Exactly 7 years ago. The Air Jordan 3 is one of the classic models. So the only thing worth mentioning about these is that the tumbled leather is a little bit less shiny than it was in 2011. And if you're a massive sneaker nerd, they put the Nike Air on the heel this time. Which means if you compare it to the 2011 version, that had the Jumpman and the Air on the heel. Now we got the Nike Air logo on the back, and apparently that's really exciting. I don't actually care about it. I don't know the cultural importance of having a different logo on the heel. If you know, please let me know in the comments what I'm missing here. I wore mine quite a lot, so I'm pretty happy that I have a fresh pair now. Ugh. Oh, and another important thing about the new edition is that I think it runs a little bit small. So I actually went half a size up. Maybe it's because of the heel padding. Just a word of warning, you might want to size up a little. And another really classic shoe that got released was the Nike Air Force 1 Velcro Swoosh pack. Comes in this gray Air Force 1 box. But before we unbox these bad boys, I want to talk a little bit about sneaker customization. As you maybe know, if you're following me on Instagram and Twitter, I'm painting and doing street art and all that kind of stuff as well. And I was wondering, like, man, I really want to customize my own sneaker. And I ended up mocking up an Air Force 1 silhouette. I started customizing the swoosh. There's actually quite a couple of shoe customizers I know, so I thought like I hit them up and they're gonna help me disassembling Nike Air Force 1 so I could paint all the different panels and then put it back together. But when I heard about the Velcro Swoosh pack, all these plans changed. Because this shoe comes with the possibility to change the swoosh. I'm actually getting quite a couple of swooshes here with that shoe, which I can customize via the magic of Velcro. How fucking cool is that? So let's check the shoes out and see how that will work. As you can see, the silhouette is like a classic Air Force 1 or white. One of the most classic and iconic shoes out there. But apart from being damn iconic, the cool thing about these shoes is that you can actually remove the swoosh and the label on the tongue. So perfect for customization. You don't need to sew it on, you don't need to glue it on, there's no fuss, it's easy as hell. So I'm really looking forward to get creative with this. So how would that work? On the tongue, you can just remove that label. You can just get any other material or fabric, paint on it, put some Velcro on the back, put it straight back on the shoe. So this is definitely where my Solaris label will go, of course. Now, the more exciting thing is that you can actually remove the swoosh. So as you can see, I'm just lifting up the heel a little bit and ta-da, there we go. So this is how the shoe looks like after I removed the Velcro swoosh. Actually, you could just pick any fabric and just cut out that shape of that swoosh, put some Velcro on the back and yeah, put it straight back on the shoe. Or you can take any of these, paint on them, spray on them, do whatever you want and then slap them back on the shoe. And this is exactly what I'm gonna do. So for example, if I'm rocking some Supreme, I would just go for the red swoosh, put it straight on, all the way, put up the heel here, and voila, here we go. It sticks very well to the material, so this is really solid. It doesn't feel flimsy at all. The leather is really top notch as well. Yeah, so this is really cool. And now just envision that with some customization on the swoosh. I think it's gonna be a lot of fun experimenting and seeing what to do. And even if I screw them up, I just buy some leather, cut out new swooshes, and yeah, I'm back in business. Oh, and size-wise, funnily enough, I found they were a little bit bigger than normally. So I'm actually a US 9 in these. So yeah, these were my pickups this weekend. I could cop both of them and I'm really, really happy. So my friends, don't be depressed about Monday. Just get some new shoes. This is what cheers me up for sure. So on that note, have a great start into the week. I'm definitely gonna upload some new videos this week as well. So please subscribe to my channel, like this video, leave a comment what kind of pickups you're planning to get this week. And I guess I'm gonna see you guys later. Bye.